Rule number one is that you gotta have fun. But baby, when you're done,
Mom!
God! Come on! Come on!
gotta be the first to run. Rule number two, just don't get attached to somebody you could lose.
I am not a believer!
Let me tell you, this is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. How to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like the look of danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. At least I think I do. Rule number three, wear your heart on your cheek, but never on your sleeve, unless you wanna taste defeat. Rule number four, gotta be looking pure, kissing goodbye at the door, and leave him wanting more. This is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger.
You guys, so today I'm at the beach. It's gonna be tip one for the beach. Put on lots of sunscreen.
Girls, we do whatever it will take. 'Cause girls we don't want our hearts to break into. So it's better to be fake. Can't risk losing in love again, babe. This is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. How to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like the look of danger.
It was this moment she realized she had fucked up. People need to learn about personal space.
Singing I love you. At least I
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, 'cause she stays strong. Yeah, she is all